Hello guys, today, I feel very honored to speak about a woman who has become a symbol of strength, sacrifice, and love, SINDHUTAI SAPKAL. Lovingly known as the mother of orphans. Her life is not just a story, but a message. A message of hope, humanity, and how one person can make a difference in the lives of thousands. Let me take you on a journey, the journey of a simple village girl who became the mother of over 1,500 orphaned children. SINDHUTAI Sapkal was born on November 14, 1948, in Wardha district of Maharashtra. Her family was very poor, and she was the unwanted child because her parents had hoped for a son. Her father, however, loved her and believed in education. Even though her mother was against it, her father sent her to school by hiding books in her cattle basket. This shows how important it is to believe in your children, especially your daughters. Sadly, SINDHUTAI was married off at the age of just 10 to a man who was 20 years older. She had to leave school and start a new life in a village where life was very hard. By the time she was 20, she had already become a mother of 3 children. Her husband was abusive and didn't treat her well. The turning point in her life came when she was 9 months pregnant. Her husband beat her badly and threw her out of the house because of some false rumors. She was all alone, with no support, no money, and no shelter. That night, she gave birth to her daughter in a cowshed, using a stone to cut the umbilical cord. Can you imagine the pain and strength it took to survive that night? After giving birth, SINDHUTAI begged for food on the streets and in railway stations. She sang songs, told stories, and did everything she could to feed her daughter. But what made her truly special was what she decided next. She realized there were many children on the streets like her daughter, abandoned and hungry. She didn't want anyone to suffer like she had. So, she started adopting orphan children. She begged more, not just for her daughter, but for many children she had taken under her wing. Over time, she gave her own daughter to a trust so she could focus on the other children who had no one at all. This shows her selflessness. She became a real mother to hundreds of orphans. She gave them food, shelter, love, and most importantly, respect and education. She always said, "I am not a mother by blood, I am a mother by heart." SINDHUTAI never gave up. Even when people laughed at her or doubted her. She started orphanages with whatever little money she could collect. She didn't have big dreams for herself. But she had huge dreams for her children, that they should become doctors, engineers, lawyers, and good human beings. And many of them did. Some of her adopted children are now running her orphanages. Others are serving society in various ways. Her life teaches us many lessons. 1. Courage. Even when the world turns its back on you, you can still rise with courage. 2. Compassion. Real strength lies not in power, but in kindness and love. 3. Sacrifice. True leadership is about giving, not taking. 4. Purpose. A strong reason in life can take you through any hardship. SINDHUTAI faced poverty, rejection, abuse, and hunger, but she turned her pain into purpose. Instead of cursing life, she blessed others with a better one. That is the power of a mother's love. She received more than 750 awards for her work, including the Padma Shri in 2021. But the biggest award she always said she got was the smiles on her children's faces. Even though she passed away in January 2022, her legacy continues through the lives of the children she raised and the homes she built. Her story inspires us to never give up, to be kind, and to always find a way to help others. No matter how small we may feel, you don't need to be rich or famous to make a difference. You just need a big heart. As I end this speech, I want to leave you with one thought. If Sindhutai, a poor, homeless woman with no support, can change the lives of thousands, what is stopping us from helping even one person in need? Let us remember her not just with words, but with actions. Let us carry forward her message of love, sacrifice, and humanity. Thank you.